Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel and happy Groundhog Day. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures that we've prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. After searching through my stamping plates, I could not find a single groundhog image, so I had to come up with another plan. I found this little frog image in the H la Cosedora stamping plate called Eskimo Kisses. I figured I could try to turn him into a little groundhog. When I started stamping, I picked him up with a brown polish, but soon realized it would be better if I stamped him in black and then filled him in with the brown. I had to get very creative and turn the little frog image eyes into a groundhog's ears. I also had to add new eyes using a dotting tool, and the most noticeable trait, which is the big white teeth in the front, I used white polish to try to create little squares. After removing the parts of the image that I didn't need with a piece of tape, I tried to outline the teeth to make them stand out more using a very thin black striper brush. After all my hard work, my groundhog was finally ready to be filled in. I used two different shades of brown polish. I used the darker shade to create mounds of dirt at the tips of my nails. Once all the polish was completely dry, I was able to stamp the groundhog image directly onto my nail. After I stamped him on my nail, I realized that it was kind of hard to see his little eyes, so I applied two little white dots of polish so that they would stand out more. To fill in the empty spaces, I used a few images from the H la Cosedora plate called Hidden Garden. I used two shades of green and did a double stamping. As always, I sealed in the stamp design using my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. The glossy version looks really cute, but of course I had to add my matte top coat off camera, and this is the final manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you enjoy my content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. It's free. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up to let me know. That really helps out my channel.